Okay, number 4. Joe left his house at the time shown on the clock below. He drove for 8 hours and 26 minutes. What time did he arrive at his destination? So first, we need to figure out what time the clock shows below. We know that the smaller hand is the hour hand, and the longer hand is the minute hand. And in class, I taught you the trick of which word, hour or minute, is shorter. And hour only has 4 letters, so this is the shorter hand. And the longer hand, or the longer word, is the minute hand because it has more letters. So let's take a look at the hour, the shorthand. It's right about here, not exactly at the 11, but it's between the 10 and the 11. So the hour is going to be 10. And we need to count by 5s to find the minute hand, the longer hand. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And it looks to be right on the 50. So the clock shows 10:50. We figured out the first part. What time does the clock show? But now we know he's going to drive for 8 hours and 26 minutes. So let's just focus on the hour part for now. Bless you. Okay. From 10:50 to 11:50. 1 hour passes by. Don't forget, we need to go 8 hours. So, 8 hours. So, we've only added 1 hour. Our second hour gets us to 12:50. Our third hour takes us to 1:50. If we add another 4th hour, takes us to 2:50. Add the 5th hour, it takes us to 3:50. From 3:50, I add another hour, takes me to 4:50. When I add another hour, I arrive at 5:50. And let's just make sure we have our hours counted up. We might be short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remember, he drove for 8 hours and 26 minutes, so we need to take it 1 more hour further. And we arrive at 6:50. But we're not done yet. It says 8 hours, but it also says 26 minutes. So if we are at 6:50, and he still needs to drive for 26 more minutes, we need to break this down so it looks a little bit more friendly. So from 6:50 to 7 o'clock, I'm going to add 10 minutes of that 26 minutes. So I just used 10 of it, brings me down to 16. So now I'm at 7 o'clock, and I just need to add 16 minutes. So if I add 16 minutes to 7 o'clock, I arrive at my answer, 7:16. And we're not sure if it's AM or PM because the problem doesn't tell us that. So we're just going to write 7:16. And that will be our answer.